Jeff Keenan here. So I was able to repair this Tesla Bluetooth tire pressure sensor. I ordered a battery, I'll put a link below, and soldered it onto the sensor, and then I used some rubber flex seal to seal it up. Now after this I was able to test it with the Bluetooth app that I'll put a link to make sure it's still working, and next time I have a battery die, I'll definitely use this one. So here you can see the tabbed CR2450HR batteries. I'll put a link to these below. I also used a portable soldering iron. I'll put a link to that below. Now you got to put a little bit of solder underneath the tabs, then heat up the top of it with the iron and let off the power of the iron so it cools, and that should do it for you. Next, I used some black rubber flex seal to seal it up. You have to make sure the sensor stays level while the rubber dries. So lastly, I used the Bluetooth app to check the sensor. You can see it right there. This is pretty easy to do. You have to have some decent soldering skills, but a new sensor costs $100 and it's only a couple dollars for battery. You probably have to do this a few times in the life of the car. There you go. Please remember to like and subscribe for more help with Wi-Fi, tech products, and Tesla.